And top spin moving forward now, joining in, all set now, ready to race number 11, penultimate race here sa Dalang Clubs Leisure Park na Cavite, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is, it has its best. And the race is on. Joel's Choice from the outside, New Empire. Down on the inside is Arithmetic rushing up. Is Encouragement to take the lead. Encouragement by Alencana, followed by Arithmetic in second. New Empire racing in third by about 2 lengths, running in fourth. Joel's Choice, the favorite, top spin racing in fifth position, and Sugar Free. And inside the last 800, Arithmetic. And on the outside, Encouragement, New Empire. Joel's Choice is racing on the outside. It's now Joel's Choice. Foxy's Nose on the outside. And running by the rallies, New Empire. Down on the inside, Arithmetic, Sugar Free, top spin. As they race the final corner, Joel's Choice by about 2 lengths now. New Empire is running in second by the rail. Joel's Choice on the outside, New Empire down on the inside. Last 150, Joel's Choice by a length and a half, New Empire. And on the outside is entry number 3, top spin. And nearing the finish line, Joel's Choice, top spin. And finally close between Joel's Choice, top spin.
Was a humdinger finish. Akala nung 6, kanyang-kanya na, pero may dumating pa.
Slow mo na tayo kagad. Parang
desisyonan yun na.
Oo. Close for first between Joel's Choice and top spin, no? Dikit na dikit yun.
Very, very close.
Ang lakas nung dating ng top spin.